Hello, Alex here with Maple Systems. Do you need a new IPC to handle all your AI workloads and multi-display setups? Well, you're in luck, because today we'll be looking at our newest compact fanless industrial PC, the IPC2790A. Let's get into it. The IPC2790A is powered by Intel's latest Core 125U processor, a first-generation multi-chip processor that's in an ultra-low power consumption class of processors, meaning you'll get high processing performance with less power draw and less heat generation. This CPU chipset also features an Intel Arc integrated GPU to support quad display UHD 4K resolution outputs without needing the form factor of a discrete graphics card. This makes the IPC2790A great for multi-display command centers. You can get it with storage sizes of up to 2 terabytes of lightning-fast M2 NVMe SSD with up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, ensuring that you can install, store, and run all of the heaviest applications all at the same time with no stutters or hangups. Operating system options include Windows 10 IoT, Windows 11 IoT Enterprise, Windows 11 Pro, and Linux Ubuntu for both desktop and server. Between an operating temperature range of -4 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 to 50 degrees Celsius, and a rugged aluminum fanless heatsink design, this IPC will keep running in any industrial environment you throw it in. One of our standout features for this IPC is a dedicated neural processing unit designed specifically for AI inference workloads that boosts its performance to 11 trillion with a T operations per second. This pure processing power makes it ideal for things like running machine vision on the factory floor for predictive maintenance or for tracking product, or even for running a multi-display command center that powers your entire facility, all with the help of AI. All right, let's open up this box and see what's inside. To start, we have the Maple Systems warranty included with all of our Maple Systems products, and on the top here we have a bag full of accessories. To start, we have a power cable, which will power the IPC. We also get a wall mounting kit here. It's included with every IPC, though you can also purchase a VESA mounting kit alongside this guy. And on the other side here is Wi-Fi antennas. This will be an optional upgrade you can purchase alongside your IPC, and these just happen to go along with this model I'm demonstrating here. So put those off to the side. And now we've got the IPC itself. Let me take it out of the plastic here. There we go. Put those over here. Take it out of the plastic cling wrap. Now that we've gotten the unit out of the box, let's take a look at the ports. In the front here, we've got the power button, the most important button. We've got some indicator lights next to the power button. We've got the COM serial port for any kind of serial connection you would need. We have 2 USB 3.2 Type A ports right next to 2 HDMI 2.1 ports. So you've got 2 gigabit Ethernet ports for network connectivity, and to go along with that network connectivity, you can optionally have some Wi-Fi antennas installed into your unit when you purchase it, so that you can get your network connectivity wirelessly. So with those installed, I'm going to go ahead and flip it around and we can take a look at the back. On the back here, we have a 3.5mm headset jack. We have 2 USB 2.0 ports and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port. We also have 1 USB 3.2 Type C port and a USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4 display port. All right, and if we flip it around to the bottom, this is where we will find the model name and the build number, and you'll want to reference these when reordering your unit. This is also normally where you'll find the OS configuration options. You can order these with an embedded Windows license, which is pre-activated here at Maple Systems for plug-and-play deployment, or you can get a non-embedded Windows license, where you'll have to scratch off the activation key and activate your Windows license yourself. Alternatively, we also offer Ubuntu Linux as an OS option, which doesn't require an activation key. But now that we've gotten it out of the box, let's power up the unit and hook her up to a monitor. All right, so I've got my IPC2790 hooked up here with an HDMI cable to an industrial monitor, the MON1017APH V2. It's one of our industrial monitors we sell here at Maple Systems. And I've got both my monitor and my IPC hooked up to a power supply off screen. And I've got a power cable included with my IPC right here that I'm going to use to boot up our PC and show you just how quickly we can boot into Windows. So it's already on, as you can see. I've got my Wi-Fi antennas Wi-Fi-ing. And we'll just go through the boot there you have it. We're into Windows on the Maple Systems ISO, and that's what we're looking for. Well, that wraps up everything for today. Remember, if you're looking to build a high-performance AI-centric system, then the IPC2790A more than has you covered. If you'd like to learn more about the IPC2790A or about our full line of industrial PCs, please visit maplesystems.com, where you can find out more or contact a member of our sales team at the email address sales@maplesystems.com. If you found this video informative, please leave us a like. And while you're down there, we'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, just so you're notified when we make more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.